Real quick announcement about Black Friday. If you've wanted to learn DaVinci Resolve, now is a ridiculous time to get some of our courses. Today, we are launching 2 new courses. Color 101, which is Introduction to Color Grading in DaVinci Resolve, perfect for beginners who have never touched the color page. And then we have the Fairlight version of that, Fairlight 101, which will help you make your videos sound amazing. That's taught by our resident audio genius, Sam, who does all of the audio for our films. Me and him work together to make an amazing course that teaches you the basics of audio and how to use Fairlight to mix and master and do sound design and just make your videos sound as good as they look. So we have Color 101 to help your visuals be amazing, and we have Fairlight 101 to help your audios be amazing. And so those are out today. But for Black Friday, we're doing a 30% off sale. So not only are we dropping those courses today, but they're 30% off. And we've also bundled them together with our Fusion 101 course, which teaches you the basics of compositing if you've never done that before. We put those 3 courses together in our Resolve Beginners Bundle, which you can already save money if you buy them all together. And then that is 30% off. It's ridiculous. So you can get $600 of courses for $382. Not to mention that every single thing in our store, all of our courses, all of our Fusion courses, our Make a Film course, that's all 30% off too. So if you've been eyeing this stuff, this is the time. So there has never been a better time to learn DaVinci Resolve. So click the link in the description. That'll take you to our Black Friday page where you can see this and all of the deals that we have, and you can start learning DaVinci Resolve. Okay, so there's the link down there. Okay, I'm so proud of these new courses. Honestly, the color course has this amazing workflow that will teach you how to color grade any video in like so quickly. And Sam has an amazing soothing voice. It's like Bob Ross teaching you how to mix your audio. It's pretty dang cool. I'm really excited for you to check it out. Okay, there's the link.